This is a kitchen buddy. My wife got it from Walmart. It's about $48 right now. And this is it built. The top doesn't detach easily since it's screwed on. Although they mentioned it's a 2-in-1. You could have it like this or like this. It would require you to remove 8 screws on one side and another 8 screws on another. But you can see from over here, it's the perfect height for people who have countertops. Line's just right. And well, it's could be a little, what do you call it, heavier. It's really light, and because it's light, you can see if someone's on it, they could in theory push this. So you should kind of supervise a little bit. This box says it's for children 1 through 3 or safety up to 100 pounds. It's a bit contradictory because, what's it called? I can't think of too many children that during age 3 are up to 100 pounds. But I guess once you remove this and you use it as a stool, someone who's 100 pounds could go onto this. So that's my short review. I think this is, second step is 19 inches. And then holding on to the side is another 17 inches up. So maybe around 36 inches tall.